Hey guys, welcome back to SM Locks. I'm Scott, and today we're not going to be picking, we're going to be disassembling and reassembling this American Series 1105. This is so I can move up to the green belt on the belt ranking for lock picking. I joined one of the Discords a couple of days ago. So I used one of my picking videos already for the lock, which is the multi-lock classics that I've done in my second or third video. I'll put a link at the top. It's actually a brown belt, but we're going to use it for green for the time being. But one of the criteria is that you can disassemble and reassemble a lock, so let's get to it. I have actually got this lock being picked on video, and I've got it being gutted, but I don't have it reassembled on video, so that video won't work. I need to process that video and get it posted anyway, but for the time being I'm just going to get this one done. So take out the core, and we've got a brass circlip on there, so put this in to see if we can stop it for twisting on one side, and the screwdriver. There we go. So that's the clip off. Put the key in. Put the follower on the back. Position it so that the pins aren't going to go flying everywhere. And there we go. So it's a 5-pin lock, so let's get these out. Just go to them out with tweezers, because this is actually the second time I'm recording. The first time the camera switched off because of a low write speed error, and I didn't notice, and I lost half of the video. So put a different SD card in, so hopefully this time everything's fine. Right, so the 5 key pins are serrated. That was out of shot, but it doesn't really matter because I didn't pick the locking video anyway. But so yeah, so let's get the driver pins out. So pin 1 is a serrated spool. Pin 3 there. And pin 2 and 3 are serrated. Pin 4 is serrated spool. Pin 5 is again serrated. So that's in there. So we'll get the springs out. Springs can be really awkward sometimes to get out, so 1, 2 springs, 3, 5. So there's the pins and springs. So serrated spools in 1 and 4, and then just normal serrated turn autofocus back on, and then just normal serrated spools and 2, 3 and 5, and you can see that all the key pins there are serrated as well. So let's just bolt back up. Right, so right, we'll turn off the autofocus because it just does my head in. So first things first, we'll put the springs in. In fact, no, okay, what we'll do. We will do chambers 3, 2 and 1 from the front of the lock, and we'll do 4 and 5 for the back of the lock. So it's a spring in 3, and we'll grab the pin. So it's a pin in 3. Pin in 2. Pin in 1. Let's turn it around and then we'll get 4 and 5 done for the back. Spring in 4. Serrated spool. Into 4. There's no worse than when you're doing things at a funny angle for the camera. Oh my goodness. Right. 5. I'll get the pin in 5 as well. Right. So that's all 5 chambers in the Bible populated. So let's do the key, well, the plug. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we'll just put the key in to make sure that everything's sitting on the shear line. We've not got any pins that are in the wrong place. So everything looks good. So we will line this up. Get the circlet back on the back. One thing I will say, if you've never gutted with these before, when you're gutting it, when you put the key in and you turn the plug, watch, because these holes on the bottom, if you turn it 180 degrees, your pins will fall if you do it upside down. So, just a tip. So let's get this back into the body of the padlock. So plug in, retainer screw, Phillips screw in, and we'll just tighten that up. So that was just a quick gut and reassembly. So hopefully green belt now, I would imagine it is. I've got some stuff kicking around for making challenge locks. I've got to make a challenge lock for the next belt up, I think, to share with people. So that's maybe what this will get turned into. Or I've got a union as well, and some pins. So might do a video on that as well. I'm going to include the link to UK Lock Sport forum and to the Discord as well. Hopefully see you guys there. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you've got any questions or any recommendations, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you next time.